can't wait for my nieces to check out Barnwood Hall. Let's see what their reaction is in just a few moments. It does. Ooh, it looks like it says case files on it too.
Case files.
Ellie, Addie, what do you think? Cool. I wonder who Kit and the frog and the fox is. What do you think? Ooh, look at those mysteries.
So we have this.
Ooh, what else do you have in there? Ooh, we got mysteries, it looks like.
Mysteries.
Ooh, that looks fun. Ooh, Addie, what did you find? A book? What does it say? I do. I'm gonna zoom in on that.
We have a bunch.
Ooh, what else is in there? Ellie, can you show?
Oh, expedition notebook. That's all of it.
Oh my goodness, look at all that.
Inside this. Oh, they have activities. We can make I think it's supposed to be a butterfly.
Ooh, yeah. What does it say on the outside?
Oh,
let's read the front. Ooh, it says case file 001.
001. And then we have larvae.
Larva? Ooh, that looks pretty neat. Can you turn it around so we can see it?
So we have an egg, a larva, a pupa.
Oh, nice. Ooh, are those look like they're going to be really easy for you to do.
Yeah.
Can you read those easily, Ellie?
Like we have egg, larva, pupa, and egg.
Great job. Oh my goodness, I love how easy those instructions are.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder what else is in there.
Yeah. I'm gonna open this black. See? So I think what we do is we would take this. So we have cactus soil. I think we can like use different soils. I guess we can mix them up.
Oh,
and then I think these are cactus seeds. They look like it.
Oh, we'll have to find out later. Can you keep flipping through to see what we have?
Yeah.
Ooh, you definitely got something missing.
I bet.
Oh, Kit and Oak. I bet they are. Oh, look, there's even a word bind.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all this cool stuff. Where should we start at? Oh, the black bag. Okay, so the instructions said, Ellie, that every single one came with limited edition little critter charms, and you could get a pearlized, a glow in the dark. Some are ultra rare and super rare. And let's find out what you end up getting.
I got a pearl!
You got a pearlized one?
I got a pearl rainbow hybrid.
Oh my goodness.
I got a pearl rainbow hybrid.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Hold it out in your hands so you can see.
It's a turtle pearl rainbow hybrid.
Oh, that is so neat.
Yeah. I didn't even know rainbow was in here.
Oh yeah, that's an option, it said. Okay, let's put them out. Okay, what else did we get? Ooh, what does it say?
I have to rip it.
Oh my goodness, is it sealed?
Yeah, it's sealed with this.
Oh, that's so cool.
To the explorer, the Naturalist guide has clear reports of curious mind and sharp eyes. Keep watch for all the clues. Your first assignment awaits. The Naturalist
Guild.
Guild.
Ooh, it's a secret. There was 2 letters. I wonder who the second one could be from.
Oh, this might be from actual Barnwood Hall Mysteries.
Ooh, from the actual Barnwoods? What does it say on the other side, Ellie?
Near Naturalist.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. I might have to rip it again.
You gotta rip it again.
Yeah, it's hard. These things are hard.
We got it sealed really well for you.
I don't know if a child could even do this. And I don't know.
Oh, you got another letter?
Really well sealed.
It is. What does it say on the other side? Teacher, Addie, do you want to open this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. pretty much started it for
Okay,
you.
let's find out what it says.
Yeah. Can I read it?
Yeah, that's great. You guys can read it together.
She doesn't know how to read.
It's okay.
It says, "Dear Explorer, hi, my name is Kit, and my best friend Oak. I are so happy you're here. We live at Barnwood Hall, where there are always mysteries to solve, clues to find, fun.
Oh my goodness, look at those super cute stickers. Addie, can you show us your sticker? Well, let's see.
This is what it is.
Oh, that's super cute.
This is the one I got.
Ellie?
Here is the rest of the stickers.
Oh my goodness, look at all those stickers that you got. Junior Naturalist, Science Seekers Adventure, and more. And you picked your favorite one? Why'd you pick that one?
Well, because it has the frog and the fox.
Awesome.
No.
Awesome. Okay, tell us about this part.
So we have bookmarks, I guess, the metal.
Oh, those are pretty neat.
Yeah. Let's look at. Oh, wait. I think from the book right here. I'm gonna take it.
Okay.
This is Nibsy.
Oh, that's Nibsy? Oh, and you got a real Nibsy too?
Yeah. A green Nibsy instead of a pink one.
Hey, that's still pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at what you guys have here. What are these? Can you show them to the camera?
Yeah. They're journalists. So junior,
Naturalist.
expedition.
Ooh, that sounds really cool. Addie, can we see yours too?
Yeah, I can see. Year one.
Year one. Oh my goodness. Let's take a
I'm
look.
doing a little flip thing.
Okay, go ahead and flip through. Let's start with going page by page.
Oh, there's it out. There's it out. I'm going to. It's like glued here.
Oh, I don't think you're supposed to take that off, Ellie.
Okay. Let's see. Ooh, I see. There's nothing in here. What in the world?
Do you think that could be for your secrets?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, is that a letter from Kit and Oak?
Where?
Look, right on the next page.
Really?
Yep.
Hello, friend. My name is Kit, and my best friend Oak. Oak and I lived at Barnwood Hall, and we love science, art, nature, and adventure. Recently, Professor Barnwood gave us our very own notebook to record our observations, discoveries, sketches, and clues. We thought you might like one too. By opening this notebook, you have become a junior member of the Naturalist Guild. Your mission is simple: explore, ask questions, discover new things, have fun along the way. We can't wait to see what you discover. Your friends, Kit and Oak. P.S. Don't forget to record your observations, discoveries, clues, sketches, and adventures. You never know when they might help us solve a mystery.
Ooh.
So let's see.
Oh, those look really cool.
Yeah. Ooh. So it looks like, dearest explorer, this fortunate that this expedition notebook has. This was amazing!
Are you guys excited about doing it? What was your favorite?
crafts.
You want to do some of the activities?
Yeah. Can we do some right now?
Oh, in a little bit, not yet.
We're definitely gonna need these.
Oh, are those good?
Let's do one or two of these.
Okay, for the Explorer. Awesome.
And then we have a magnifying glass. Where's the ruler? We have a ruler.
Oh my goodness, so much cool things.
Oh, it's already open.
You did. What about reading the book and solving the mystery?
We are going to solve some of the mysteries in here. Maybe a little bit of this, like
Awesome.
chapter 1, chapter 2, and that's it.
That's awesome. Okay.